Are you ready to revolutionize your email marketing strategy? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools for email marketing in 2024 that can help you boost engagement, improve open rates, and drive conversions. Welcome back to My Software Business, your go-to channel for the latest in digital marketing and AI tools. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. Imagine being able to personalize every email, automate your campaigns, and get data-backed insights without lifting a finger. Sounds amazing, right? Let's explore the tools that make it possible. First up is ActiveCampaign. This powerful platform leverages AI to enhance email list segmentation, personalization, and automation. With its drag-and-drop email automation workflow, you can design and run complex automation workflows easily. ActiveCampaign helps you send dynamic and personalized emails that engage and convert. Imagine running an e-commerce store and needing to send personalized recommendations based on user behavior. ActiveCampaign can automate this process, ensuring each customer receives relevant and timely emails, boosting your sales and engagement. Next, we have Brevo, formerly known as Sendinblue. Brevo excels in creating engaging email content with AI-powered features. It generates personalized subject lines and email content that resonate with your audience, ensuring high open and engagement rates. Think about launching a new product and needing to craft compelling emails that grab attention. Brevo can help you generate eye-catching subject lines and persuasive content, making sure your emails stand out in crowded inboxes. Our third tool is Lavender AI, designed to enhance the email writing process for sales professionals. Lavender offers real-time AI sales email coaching, a personalization assistant, and data-backed insights for strategic email improvement. This tool is known for improving reply rates and overall email engagement. Imagine you're a sales representative needing to follow up with leads. Lavender AI can provide instant feedback on your emails, suggesting improvements to increase your chances of getting a response. Fourth on our list is Phrasee. This tool uses natural language processing to generate email content that matches your brand's tone and style. It crafts compelling subject lines, headlines, and CTAs, and runs A/B experiments to find the best performing messages. Picture running a marketing campaign and needing to test different email variations. Phrasee can automate the creation and testing of these emails, ensuring you send out the most effective version to your audience. Finally, we have GetResponse. This tool leverages AI to design behavior-based email workflows and generate personalized email content. It includes an AI-powered subject line generator and provides insights on content most likely to increase conversions. Think about managing a subscriber list and wanting to engage with your audience at key moments. GetResponse can automate these interactions, sending personalized content based on user behavior, which enhances engagement and drives conversions. There you have it. The top 5 AI tools for email marketing in 2024. From enhancing personalization to automating complex workflows, these tools can transform your email marketing strategy. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.